I bet you're wondering what you should do when your Datto SIRIS cannot unsnap the snapshot. While uncommon, even the Datto SIRIS can give you an error message from time to time. Knowing how to resolve the issue is critical to ensuring your backup and recovery solution is successful. So here's a possible error message you may encounter with the Datto SIRIS. I bet you're wondering what's the cause. The Microsoft Shadow Copy Provider responsible for VSS was unable to perform a backup. It's very important to note. Backups will continue if this error is thrown, unless StorageCraft Shadow Copy Provider isn't running. The StorageCraft Raw Agent service uses both the Microsoft Shadow Copy Provider, VSS, and StorageCraft Shadow Copy Provider, or STC, to perform backups. If the Microsoft Shadow Copy Provider fails, then this error will appear, and the next backup will be attempted by the STC. The STC backup produces a crash consistent state backup, whereas fully functional VSS writers produce an application aware backup. This is a concern for systems running any services that include a VSS writer for backups, such as database services. For instance, if the VSS writer for a database has failed, recent transactions for that database may not be backed up by the Shadow Snap. Okay, enough about the problem. Here's a solution. Option 1 is the long-term resolution path. So for Windows 2003 and older, update the protected machine with all hotfixes that are available for VSS from Microsoft. Check the VSS hotfix page. For Windows Vista and newer, deselect the System Reserved partition from attempting a backup on the Advanced Options page. It's very important to note the SRP volume is not needed for any SIRIS virtualization or restore. During the virtualization and restore process, Datto installs the necessary boot information so as to not to have junk boot data to attempt to virtualize or restore from. Option 2. Provide crash-consistent backups only with STC. From the Datto SIRIS or SIRIS Lite web console, click on the basic options for the protected system. Then step 2. On the basic options page, set the backup engine to STC and click Apply. If you have any questions about your Datto SIRIS, visit us at InvenioIT.com. Invenio IT. Data is your business. Protecting it is ours.